So today we will solve a question based on the resultant of two vectors, that two forces have equal magnitude and their resultant is also equal to the magnitude of either force. What is the angle between two forces? So let us now solve this question. So first of all, suppose the two forces F1 and F2 have magnitude equal to F and the resultant R also have the magnitude F as per the statement. So let us say this one force is F, this is second force F, and these are inclinated by this much angle. Let us say this is the resultant and the magnitude of resultant is also F. So the angle between the given forces, these two forces, has to be found. Let us say this angle is theta. Now we apply triangle law of vectors, and according to triangle law, R is equal to square root of F1 square plus F2 square plus 2 F1 F2 cos theta. But we know that F1, F2 and R, all these three quantities have magnitude equal to F. So we are going to insert that value here. So after inserting R, F1, F2 equal to F, we will get this equation. And on solving, we will get this equation. Now we know that 1 plus cos theta is equal to 2 cos square theta by 2. So we have inserted this formula here. And when we solve this equation, we will get f is equal to 2f cos theta by 2. F and f will get cancelled. This will give you cos theta by 2 equal to half. Hence theta by 2 will be equal to 60 degree, or the angle theta between the two forces will be 120 degree. Thank you.